nice Jeep. Oh, back at it again with the Black Rock Cross Country, and I can't deal. I just can't deal with this whole ghost driver deal. I just can't do it. Just can't. So we're gonna work on this possibly a little bit together. Go through it. Let's take the interior out and see what we're dealing with here. A couple 2mm hexes in here. Keep that down there. There's one back here. Oh, we got some little 1/5s in there. Oh, there's a little roll cage in there. That cute. Oh, I guess so. Whenever you take the top off, it'd be there, huh? All right. Not too much depth to it. Not too much depth. But we'll get something in there. We'll get someone in there. We'll get a dude in there. All right. So. These dudes are old. These dudes are so old. Like they've been through the ringer, literally. But you can position them better when you take them apart. You know, even like that. It's horrible. But when you get the dude that comes up, oh, there's no phone gear in there. But yeah, you know what? Take his feet off, legs, like that's just fabric from yeah, it's just fabric. There's no leg plastic or anything like that in there. So it's scaled snot on your jeans, I guess. But there's a little bit of leg there, not much leg there. So get your hand off there, bro. I know you're a guy. And then boom, half dude, and boom. Maybe squish him down a little bit. Yeah, he's sitting a little high, but we could do this if we wanted to. You know, just clip his hand on there. That's weird. So, dude needs a hand. Why? Because we do surgery here, boys. And just slip that old big boy right in there. Okay, little Terminator-y, but that's fine. Oh, this stuff is the goodness. I like it. Works real good. Been using it for a couple of years now. It does. Bug right there. Okay, so we need it going in like this. Wider. A little bit easier to manipulate. I mean, it's not beautiful, but it's on the most interior part of the truck, so you probably won't see it too much. E6000, love it, love it. I'll get some of this residual bullshit off of here real quick. Okay. Well, it looks all crappy and stuff. You won't see it, dude. So what does it really matter, right? Right. You know, decent little. Oh shit, that was horrible. Okay, clean up that goop. Trying to show you guys, but see, it's a little shoe goo. Get your guy's legs down there before you plant him. And then just, you know, we had it a little bit forward so his torso could come down a little bit further. Now what I'm going to do is I'll put a little spot right here for that part, and then I'm going to put a little bit right on the back. See, that was a past one, so we'll just use that back arch more or less in just a thin layer. Should be good to go. Oh, drop the cap. No biggie. So we'll do this right here. Maybe a little bit right here. I don't want to see this. And then just a nice thin layer right here. Nice thin layer. Because it's pretty damn flush to the back of the seat. So just do it right here. Push them down and then push back. You know, make sure he's somewhat straight in the seat. You know, he's looking like he just wants to chill that way. So we're just gonna let him chill there. He's looking happy already. Something like that. You know, just paste it to the back of the seat real quick, or if you wanted to, you could go all the way down here, or you know, to the wall or something like that if you wanted to get all nerd-tastic. So we'll just do that. We'll go to the wall. Oh, okay. Well, it just stays there like that, I guess. So. What I'll do is a little, there we go. Okay, so one more heat session with his arm, I guess. That'll be fine. I mean, it's not mind-blowingly great, but it's better than, what the hell is it? Okay, it's better than nothing, right? Right. All right, C2X light kit. We're gonna see if we can run it in this dude real quick. Looks like it. It's just a basic lighting kit, nothing super fancy. And this doesn't really need super fancy because it doesn't have a lot of light buckets. Alrighty, got power. So looking at the rear light buckets, it looks like they are 5 mils instead of 3 mils. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, we need to do the marker lights. How do we do the marker lights, Dave? I don't know yet. We're gonna figure out. It's no go. No. So we could drill it out and put it in there, but it's gonna poke out. See, it'll poke out. We could do halfway through it, but then how's the lens gonna be held on? Well, we could do super glue to hold the lens on, but we'd have to use the non-fogging stuff. I don't know how we should get that out of there, boys and girls. You know what? Let's just send it. Let's take the razor to it, cut that off. I don't know. I mean, we'll give it a shot. Let's start off with something a little bit smaller. A little bit. Get a little pilot hole action. I don't know, man. We'll see. I mean, we'll see, bro. Please don't go through. Okay, we're close to almost going through, but we're not through. So what we'll do is, got our pilot hole, the bigger hole. Put a bigger hole in it, man. All right. Oh, 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 easy there, turbo. Easy. Easy. Just a little bit more. Poker. A little hole, obviously. And we'll do something like that. And then we'll super glue that in there with obviously clear on just the outer part of the LED, maybe a ring around the top, and then just set it in there so it doesn't get closer to the lens. And then what we'll do is we'll paint that black so it doesn't, you can't really see it until we get, you know, we don't have fender liners yet. Yeah. I ended up installing markers in here and in the fronts. Same method with the fronts as I did with there. These will poke, these are poking out a little bit more, not a big deal. I'll hit them with black paint. Here in a little bit, we should be good. Everything's rooted, all happy, good times. Another, here, check this out, another tipperoni. Watch this. Brittle. So now we're pretty much primed for inner fenderage, but I don't know if we'll get to that tonight. Anyway, so that's taped down, that's taped down. We'll do one more little snib over here of Freedom Bonder, and we will be good. Right there, everything's nice and tucked out of the way. You got the little dongle hanging in here. Everything's tucked. Dude's in there. Shit, did he fall out? No, he didn't. Okay. Dude's in there. Twist his head a little bit. He looks real happy, doesn't he? He looks happy. Some guys don't like them skater dudes, but I don't like some dudes. Mostly on, is it? That's pretty much there. I'm not gonna snap it down because it's kind of a pain in the butt to get off. But dude, that looks way better. Yeah, that looks way better. Let me get some inner fenders in this damn thing. Really bad. Okay, you're kind of connected, but I'll see how far I can go. Okay. But yeah. That's how it's done, boys. I might get locoed and do some oh, put that on there. Do some toolbox. You need it for your Jeep. Just kidding. So, on that note, good. Bye. See you on the next one, kids.